How to use Square Appointment. So, Square Appointment is a service inside of Square for you to manage your appointments for your business. So, maybe your business, let's say it's a barbershop or it's a salon, or maybe like it's a gym class, or like it's an auto shop, and you want to make an appointment. Well, Square has the tool for you to manage your appointments very well and manage your resources, like the human resources and the time resource. Okay, so to start, go to square.com, right, on the homepage, and then you have to sign in. And after you sign in, you will be met with this dashboard over here. Now, in our dashboard, what you want to do is go and scroll down on the left menu over here, and it should be in the POS system, the point of sale system. And if you click it, you have your appointments. Now, I already moved it up to the uh, quick access, but it's there if you want. Okay, so if you haven't found it already, just click move from Square over here, and you should be able to search for the Square appointment service from here also. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to your appointments. I already have mine set up, so I don't need to sign up. Okay, so now for the appointment, before you start managing your appointments here, you need to set up two things. First is your location. Second is your service. All right, that's four. Set your payment, and then your working hour. Okay, so I will go to the working hour first. And to change our working hour, we have to go to the staff menu under the Square Appointments menu. And then we need to change our working hour. So the owner, so you should have your opening hour set up over here. And there you go. Now let's click manage hours. Now you have to do it per staff, but in this case I'm a one-man army. But so anyway, so my working hour is 9 to 9, right? 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. There you go. Let's just put 9 in every closing hour. All right, and my business is open from Monday to Friday and also on Saturdays. Now on Saturday, let's say for example, I go home much earlier. And okay, so it's all set up. Click done. Okay, now that you have set up your working hours for each of your staff, if you have no staff, just click add staff, and you should be able to click your staffs over there. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go to the calendar. Click save changes. Wait, oh, phone number. You know what? Let's just put it one first. That's awkward. All right, so 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I guess. Okay, so okay, done. Now we can save it. All right. Now let's go to calendar, and let's search. Let's see how the availability works. Okay, so another thing other than your working hours, you need to set your services again, because well, services is the service that you want to offer to your customers with, right? And to manage those services, you need to add a service. So I have myself set up here a curbside pickup, which is an example service. You can set the reporting category, you can set the duration and the price, you can set a fixed price, or you can make it variable. You can create a service by clicking create service, and then you can set the service name. Let's say for example, this is home service, maybe home service, and you can put the description, put the images, and the location is in the location of your business, or you can say it's mobile. And then you can set the categories. In this case, I don't have my categories set up yet. And there you go. You can have a variable price, or you can have a fixed price. Now, let's say I have a $500 uh, fixed service price, right? And you can also add a processing time to optimize your schedule and allow your customers to book during processing time. And then you can block extra time. You can have a show pricing description and your variations. Like, for example, this is just a standard service, right? $500. If you want to have a standard service with tune up, maybe you can create a variation of that in from this button. Okay, so now I have my new service. So I have two services now, home service or curbside pickup. Okay, now that we have our service set up and our working hour set, let's go to uh, the appointment. Let's go back to our appointment. All right, now let's go to our calendar, and this is where you will manage your appointments. Now, as you can see, we are available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so it should be 9 p.m., but the availability of your business should be in the white area over here, and the gray area is where you are closed, right? And only in those white areas can you make an appointment. Okay, so let's see. Um, for example, you want to add an appointment at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Monday. You can just click it, and then when you click it, you will be greeted with this menu over here. And the event type, let's see, it's an appointment. Okay, and then client name, maybe you can set your client name to whatever it is. And then you can set the date and time. You can set it to all day or repeat, phone number, and etc. Now, for the client, you need to add your client information, I believe. And then you can add a service. Now, with the service, maybe will be a home service for 2 hours. Let's see. Let's say the duration is 2 hours. And after that, you can save your appointment. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click create a client name. Okay, so my client name will be maybe Arlo, right? And Arlo here will have this email and this phone number. I'm just gonna put a random email, 123@gmail.com, and maybe 123. There you go, and you can click save afterwards. Oh, the last name. Okay, Arlo last. There you go. Okay, so that is the example phone, a valid phone number. Okay, so yeah, you need to add a valid phone number apparently. Yeah, I'll just add it. Okay, so now once you create an appointment, you can have the option to email them, text message them, or don't send any notification. I'll just text message them beforehand. And let's send the appointment details to your customer. Yeah, something went wrong in my side over here, but you should have it working. Now, you know it's working if you have your time over here blocked to that particular customer and the details of them. Okay, so one more thing that I want to show you is your availability time. So those are the times when you're available during that day. So for example, if you're having a day out, or maybe you have your important day, that day you don't have to change your working hours. You can just change your availability time. Okay, so to edit your availability, just click on the clock icon over here, and you can change your availability over here. Now you can change your availability outside of the working hours, but in this case, let's say for example, on Wednesday this week, we are only available from 12 p.m. because we might have a maintenance, and then that is for a one-time change, right? If you have a recurring change or a recurring schedule, let's say for example, from now onwards, our store will open from 10 a.m. on a Tuesday. You can do that in the recurring schedule option. So that is how you edit your availability. All right. So as you can see now, the uh, time is blocked for this week from 9 to 10 a.m. on a Tuesday. But this is a recurring event. I mean, it's the one-time event is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Let's see if on a Wednesday this week we are open from 12 p.m. and that day. Now, if we go to the next week, you shouldn't have that gray area anymore on the Wednesday because it's only a one-time change for the week. However, for the Tuesday from 10 a.m., it will be edited for the following weeks also because it is a recurring time change. So that's how you edit and manage your Square appointments. Thank you.